What's up guys, Ronald here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to screen record your PC for free. So let's get started. So once go to Google and search OBS, then click on the first page, open Broadcaster Software Index, click on that and it will take you to this page, obsproject.com. And if you're using if you're using a Linux, just click here. For me, I'm using a Windows, so click on Windows. And if you don't have DirectX, it will not work, but if you have DirectX, it will work. So click on Windows 7, 8, or 10. Now click on that, and it should click on that, and just wait for the file to download. So it will automatically download, so wait for the file to download. If you don't have a faster computer, this download may take a few minutes or a while. So for me, I'm just not gonna download it because I'm using it right now, as you can see there. Now I'm just gonna give you the tips. So if you download that, click on the OBS XE and